We're gonna go fucking draw one hit at 100 for the fuck of it. Here we go. Well, suck.
Got it.
Thank you.
That was bad, Matt.
Well, I'm shooting a pistol at 100 plus yards. Oh.
I mean,
Oh.
I shot it.
Oh. There we go. Got him. Right. So it's all good. All right, I'm gonna be retarded.
What's your mom do?
Be retarded. No. 2 paper, 1 to the head, and then I'm gonna try and get 2 steel on the fucking one way the hell out there for the hell of it. See if I have enough ammo. Holster. There we go. Well, I can shoot it far. All right, I'm gonna do it again. Hold on. What's my ammo situation? I don't know. I'll reload if I have to. All right. 2 to the body, 1 to the head, 2 to the fucking 100-yard target. Cool. Yep. Oh. Where my holds my top dot? Nice. What do we got left? Uh-oh. To burn it down. 3. I only hit once. Well, mega fuck. That was my lap. Let me go steel, head box, that. Accuracy. It's smaller than it looks, and that's what she said. Let's see if I have the ammo. Yeah. Sweet. Head, that. Oh well. Yeah, it was hot. Yeah, I don't know. Fuck. I'm just mag dump this dude in front of me until he's burnt down. Reload 2 on the steel. Here we go. There we go. Not too bad. Here we go. Cool.
Old school.
Fucking hood, certified hood classic, right?
Oh, boss.
All right, I'm gonna go for the 100 again, or whatever distance it is. Yeah, I repainted it so I can actually see it. Truckoo. All right, here we go. I can't. Honestly, I can't tell if I'm hitting it or not. I'm probably not hitting it. There we go. Whatever. He's suppressed. Good enough for me. Yeah, tagging. Yeah, we can be off angle slightly. Let's see, shot timer's on. Yeah, 2 paper, 2 steel. So, here we go. One mic. 278. Let's see, I'm gonna run it again. There we go. 252.
Maybe you pick a fucking electric holster.
Yeah, I know. Alright, let's make it smooth. I missed that like 3 fucking
You hit
times.
the top of the wood twice.
Oh, I did? Okay. 358.
That's funny, dude.
What do I got for ammo? Cool. Let's throw in a reload. Let's see. Camera's still on. That'll work.